Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Sumaya. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe me down below. And today I'm going to show you an Valentine special hairstyle. So if you're interested to know this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Before starting the hairstyle, I'm just combing my hair so it's tangle free and smooth. And you can see all that day by day my hair is become more shiny, and this is all credit goes to Nature Republic's product. Then I just create a ponytail, and after dividing the ponytail I create two braids. And after that I'm gonna crisscross these two braids and I'm gonna fix it the way you can see. For fixing it I'm using bobby pins, and if needed for flyaways you can apply hairspray. As I'm fixing my hair all by myself, for that I'm taking a second mirror help. And if you feel uncomfortable to fix it by yourself, tell any elders to fix it for you. And I always try to show easier hairstyles so that it looks prettier in shorter time. Now I'm gonna fix the braid on a circular pattern. As Valentine's Day is a special day for all kind of age people, so at that time we try to look prettier than usual look. So I think this hairstyle will gonna really help you to look much prettier. And this hairstyle will not only suit Shari with any kind of dress like western gown or salwar suits, or the thing I'm wearing Shari, I said it once more, you're gonna look just prettier. And guys, I'm telling it once more, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe my channel and show your loves to me. And if you want, all you can follow me on Instagram too. I'll give the link in the description down below. At the end, you can also do soft curls, but I love straight hair more. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you really enjoy this hairstyle, so don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So for today, toodles!